No. When will me and Mario ever do something fun? The last time we ever had fun together was... Well, I don't actually think we've had any fun together. Let's try and have some fun together. Hey Mario, get up Mario. Mario, can you please get up? I want to talk to you. Yeah, Luigi? Hey Mario. Hi Luigi. So Mario, what do you want to do today? You know? I don't know. We have like 2 days off. Isn't today the 28th of January 2012? 28th? Is that it? I'm just taking a guess. Mario, if you want to know what the day is, just go look at the calendar. What? The calendar, silly, look. What calendar? Oh, that calendar. I've never seen that there. Mario, really? Really? Yes, I'm not kidding. I'm not. I've never seen that there. Mario, you're just pulling my leg. So, what does it matter to you? You know what it matters to me? You know what? Stop with the calendar. We need to do something fun. Like what, Luigi? We haven't done anything fun since... Nothing? We've never done anything fun together except save the princess. Well, I've never actually had fun doing that. Neither have you. But, not sure about Yoshi. Yoshi! Yoshi! Where'd you get those doll things? Bought them off the internet. Luigi, look. Look at Yoshi staring at those dolls, look. This better not be a joke. Oh, look at you. You look so stupid. Look at you at yourself. You're like this, huh? What is that? I know it's hilarious. Hey, Yoshi, how you doing over there? You looking at yourself? I think Yoshi's doing quite fine. Yeah. Yeah. Nancy. Ugh. Gosh, Yoshi scared me. Yeah, whatever. Let's just go do something fun. Wait. We can just do something fun. How about let's go get the mail? Mail? Really? Okay, rock, paper, scissors for it. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Dang it, I got scissors. I got rock. Rock, paper, scissors. Dang it, I got scissors again. I got a bomb. I'm just joking, I got a rock. Rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors. Rock. Scissors! Ah, why do I keep getting rock? Why do I always lose? Ugh. Do I have to go get the mail to make you feel better? Yeah. Okay. Just to make you feel better, I'll go get the mail. Let's go. Thanks, bro. Let's go check out the mail to see if Luigi will be fine whenever I get the mail. So let's go. Can't believe I'm doing this just for Luigi. Man, Mario's such a good brother to go do this for me. Man, I can't wait to go plumbing with him in our own house, but there's nothing else to do. Fun. So I guess we could just do that, or we could play the DS, but he'll just punch me and then I'll be crying, and then he'll be playing the 3DS all day and stuff, so he might as well just sit here and wait. Hey Luigi, guess what? What, Mario? I got this strange letter. It says, to Mario and Luigi. Do you want to open this with me? No, Mario, I'm good. You can just open it. Okay, I'll open it. I wonder what it is. Just open it. Okay, fine, I'll open it. I don't know where to start. I got an idea. Die! Mario, stop! Dude, you just put holes in the letter! Whoops. I guess I'll just open it now. Okay, I opened it. See what it says. Hey, it didn't make any dents on the letter. only on the package. Let's read this. To Mario and Luigi. I like you to come to my home and plumb my bathroom. From Bob? Luigi, do you know any guy named Bob? No, not. Oh, that Bob. Yeah, I know him. He didn't put his last name or the number of his address. Let me see if he has his number or his last name. He doesn't have his last name, but he has a picture of his house and his number. Right there. 1111 11 11 11. No, wait, that's 111 -11 -2 -11 -1. Jeez, that's a big number. I can't even say that real fast. Sorry, what was it? Whatever, let's just go to this guy and follow him and see if we can find this guy and plumb his house. So yeah, let's just go. Let's just see on the back, see if he wrote anything on the back. He did write one thing. It says that he lives near a big truck and a van and stuff. And I'm looking through you, right through your window right now. Yeah, that's what it says. The window thing I had made up. But wait, I think they said one more thing. Something else. He also lives near a big circle. Hey, he doesn't live that far away from us. Well, it's just like right across the street. Well, then let's go. Okay. You can just get down and I'll throw the paper stuff away. Just get down there. Get on the floor, on the bed. Come on, Luigi, get off. Whoops. Now let's go find this guy. I can't grab it. Oh, well, you grab that and I'll grab the note. I'll take the note with me and let's go. Grab the trash. Okay. Well, this seems like the place. I think this is the place, Mario. I think this is the place. How can you tell this is the place? Well, it's a house and looks similar to the picture on here. It does. Well, let's just go plumb. Sure. You sure this is the place? Oh, Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the place. Because it shows a picture right here and the back. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the place. I'm gonna set this right here. We'll come back and grab it later. Okay, Luigi. Knock. Did someone answer? No, a leprechaun answered. Okay, then let's go get some its gold. Luigi, I was joking. There's no leprechaun. Is this guy here? God. Oh, hey. Oh, hi, sir. We got your letter that says that we were supposed to come here and plumb your, bathroom. Is that right, Luigi? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. Yes, yes. Okay, so we're supposed to plumb your house. Can we come in? Sure. Why does your voice have got problems? Okay. Come on, Luigi, let's go. Nice place you got here, sir.
Thanks. It takes a couple hours to clean up. You just need to clean that one bathroom down the hall to your right.
Wait, why did it take you so long to, say right?
Short-term memory.
Oh, okay.
Just go down the hall and you will find where you need to plumb. Just down the hall to your right.
Okay, thanks, sir. Oh boy.
Those are nice kids. Now to go eat some oatmeal.
Okay, he said to the right. Come on, Luigi. Okay, Mario. Okay, here it is. Oh my god. That is scary. Well, come on, Luigi, let's go in. I'm not gonna enjoy this. Neither are you, Luigi, are you? No. Okay, let's go. 2 hours, Mario and Luigi plumbing. Okay, we're done. Come on, Luigi, let's go. Okay, Mario. Oh, that was terrifying. And how long did it take us? 2 hours. Now let's just go and he'll pay us. The old man. Okay, sir, we're ready for our payday. Well, because we just plumbed your bathroom.
Oh, goody. Here's my wallet.
How much money do we need?
You can just take the entire wallet.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm about to die any second now anyways from eating poison.
Do you want us to take you to the hospital?
No. I'd rather...
Is he gone?
I think he's gone.
Oh well. I'm still kind of freaked out that he's dead. Oh well, he was already dead anyways. Let's go. He was? I can't believe the guy just died. What do you think about me? He died right in front of my face. Mine too. Do you want to go do something? I think I've already had enough fun and horror for one day. Me too.